the first one is, let's see, is that exactly the same? Yep, 7/8 of an inch. 7/8 of an inch. The second one, and all the rest of them, are 1/2 an inch. And that hole, let's see if we can figure this out here. That hole is 3/8 of an inch. They gotta be cut square. The originals were done with a laser cutter, but I didn't have access to them, to a laser cutter. So you make this thing, it's got to have the first ones, you see they're longer. You got to have them, the 7/8 ones on either side there. And you weld it in there, flush on this, down on the bottom here. Get this out of the road here. What the heck was I gonna say? Anyway, what's the width of that? That's 3 inches. So, and you go down 1/4 of an inch. So, when you put the log dogs on, where the heck did that log dog go? Say, it's on now, and you can see it misses the chain. Okay, so you're not going to have to worry about it that way. That's why you got to make sure that that's exactly the right length. And what else is it? I'm probably forgetting something. I don't know what in the world. I didn't have access to a laser cutter or a water jet cutter, so I very, very, very carefully, with the thinnest zip cutter blades I could find, manufactured those things by myself. And they work. They work for what I need, because I plane most of the stuff I want to use, so they work. This is 2-inch angle. Yeah, 2-inch angle. And there's a piece on this side and a piece on that side, runs on it, and you're running it on. Let's see if I can get this out of the way. All right, so this is what the heck is that? 1.5 inch square tubing. And you can see the gusset. Make the gusset whatever size you want, that's up to you. So all you need. That's longer than I thought. 22. Oh man. A bit. I'm running out of battery. Isn't that just wonderful? 22.25 it looks like. And so you need one there, one there, one there, and this is the end. They're 10 feet long. So you can figure that out. They're 10 feet long, and you got to put another one in there. See, that's the end of that 10-foot chunk, and you put the pipe in the inside like so, And yeah, lad, that piece is welded underneath of it, see, right there. And come on. And it's 23.5 long. Okay, and it sits on top like that. Just like this. So you gotta have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces of 10-foot 2-inch angle iron for each piece, and then you go from the to build the struts. You need 1, 2, 3, 4 of them for each piece. At the end, right here where it's the 10-foot mark, there's a bar. See that right there? But add one of these right there. They didn't have them original, and it gets tippy. So make sure you just make another one and stick another one in just before it. Okay? I don't know what else to add. I'll put this on post-it, I guess. All right. Alright, and then on top of that you can see that the last one has an overlap so that you can butt the second one in right there. And I don't know what you're going to be cutting, but normally 2 pieces is good enough. That's 20 feet. I added a third, but I never use it.